So I want to show you this little board that I got off of Etsy. The guy who makes them calls it a Piroshki board. He made it for his wife. It's got a little lip in front so it won't slide. I use it on my washer, I use it on my stove, and I use it outside a lot because I don't have very much counter space. I live in a little old grandma house that was built in the 40s, and the kitchen is very tiny. But I love to cook, so I'm making do with what I have. And right now, I'm going to use it for making cookies. These are the little cookie dough balls, chocolate chip cookies. I didn't have any brown sugar in the house, so we just made do with white sugar. I always use parchment.